discuss the concept of finding the trisection points of a straight line. That means if we are given a straight line and the coordinates of the endpoints, and we want to find the trisection points. That means the points which divide the line into three equal parts. Suppose we have a line AB with coordinates x1, y1 and x2, y2, and we are supposed to find point P and Q with coordinates x3, y3 and x4, y4 such that AP is equal to PQ is equal to QB. That means P and Q is dividing the line into three equal parts. For this we know that we have a section formula in the chapter of coordinate geometry. That means if we have a straight line with coordinates x1, y1 and x2, y2, and we have a point P which divides the line in the ratio of m is to n with the coordinates x, y, then the x is equal to m into x2 plus n into x1 upon m plus n, and y is equal to m into y2 plus n into y1 upon m plus n. So this is the formula to find the coordinates of a point which divides a line in the ratio m is to n. So we should know first the ratio in which P and Q divide the line, then we can find the coordinates. Now we know that AP is equal to PQ is equal to QB, let it be equal to K. So we can say that AP is equal to K and PB is equal to PQ plus QB, that is K plus K equal to 2K, or we can say that AP is to PB as 1 is to 2. That means the P divides the line in the ratio 1 is to 2. That P point divides in the ratio 1 is to 2. So when writing the coordinates for the point P, we can use the ratio 1 is to 2. So it will be x3 will be equal to 1 into x1, 1 into x2 plus 2 into x1 upon 1 plus 2. Similarly, y3 will be equal to 1 into y2 plus 2 into y1 upon 1 plus 2, or we can say x3 is equal to x2 plus 2 times x1 upon 3, and y3 will be equal to y2 plus 2 times y1 upon 3. So these are the coordinates for the point P which is dividing the line in the ratio 1 is to 2. Similarly for Q, we can say that Q divides the line in the ratio in AQ is to QB, or we can say AQ is equal to AP plus PQ is to QB, and we know that each is equal to K, so K plus K is to K, or we can say 2 is to 1. So we can say the Q divides the line into ratio of 1 is 2 is to 1. That means while finding the coordinates for point Q, we will use the ratio 2 is to 1. So we can say that x4 is equal to 2 into x2 plus 1 into x1 upon 2 plus 1, and y4 is equal to 2 into y2 plus 1 into y1 upon 2 plus 1, or we can say that x4 is equal to 2x2 plus x1 upon 3, and y4 is equal to 2y2 plus y1 upon 3. So the coordinates for P will be x2 plus 2 times x1 upon 3, y2 plus 2 times y1 upon 3, and the coordinates for Q will be 2 times x2 plus x1 upon 3 and 2 times y2 plus y1 upon 3. So P and Q are the points which are dividing the line in the ratio in three equal parts, or we can say the points of trisection for the line AB. To sum up, I would like to say that we have used the section formula which divides the line in the ratio m is to n to find the coordinates of the trisection points. If the point P divides the ratio in the m is to n, then the coordinates of P, that is xy, can be found by the formula x is equal to m into x2 plus n into y1. That means cross we are multiplying m with x2 and n with y1, m with x2 plus n with y1 upon m plus n. Similarly for y, m into y2 plus n into y1 upon m plus n. So as we know that this formula, we are using this formula to find the intersection point. So we should know first the ratio in which the point P and Q divides the line. So to find the ratio for point P, we know that AP is equal to PQ is equal to QB. That is, let us suppose it is K. So AP will be K and PB will be equal to PQ plus QB or K plus K, that is 2K. So AP is to PB is 1 is to 2, or we can say the P divides the line in the ratio 1 is to 2. Using this ratio in the section formula, we will find the coordinates. That means x3 will be equal to 1 into x2 plus 2 into x1 upon 1 plus 2, and y3 is 1 into y2 plus 2 into y1 upon 1 plus 2, and x3 is equal to x2 plus 2 times x1 upon 3, and y3 is equal to y2 plus 2 times y1 upon 3. Similarly, to find the ratio to coordinates for point Q, I have first found the ratio in which the point Q divides the line AB, and we have seen that AQ is to QB as AP plus PQ is to QB, because AQ is equal to AP plus PQ. So K plus K is to K or 2 is to 1. That means Q divides the line in the ratio 2 is to 1. So we have used again the section formula to find the coordinates, and we have found that the coordinates for P are this and Q are this. So this is how we can use the section formula and to find the trisection points or the points of trisection for the line. That means the coordinates of point P and Q which divide the line into 3 equal parts. Let us now try to apply the concept of finding the point of trisection. That means the coordinates of the points that divide the line into 3 equal parts. Suppose we are given a line with the endpoints 1, -2 and -3, 4. That means we have a line segment with the coordinates 1, -2 and -3, 4, and we are supposed to find the point of trisection. That means the points P and Q which they divide the line into 3 equal parts. Let A, B, P and Q. A has the coordinates 1, -2 and B has the coordinates -3, 4. Let us suppose the coordinates for X are for P are x1, y1, x3, y3, and the coordinates for Q are x4, y4. As we have discussed in the question, we had taken A as the coordinates for A as x1, y1 and for B as x2, y2. So we can say x1 is equal to 1 and y1 is equal to -2. Similarly, x2 is equal to -3 and y2 is equal to 4. Now we will try to find the coordinates of point P and Q, and we know that the point P, the coordinates for point P are x3, y3, and we know that P divides the line in the ratio 1 is to 2. So that means P divides the line in the ratio 1 is to 2, and now we will write the coordinates for P. x3 will be equal to 1 into x2. That means 1 into and x2 is -3 plus 2 into x1. x1 is 1 upon 1 plus 2. Similarly, y3 is equal to 1 into 4 plus 2 into -2 upon 1 plus 2. So x3 will be equal to -3 plus 2 upon 3, and y3 will be equal to 4 minus 4 upon 3. So we can say x3 will be equal to -1 by 3 and y3 will be equal to 0. Similarly, the coordinates of P will be -1 by 3 and 0. Now let us try to find the coordinates of point Q. Q divides the line in the ratio 2 is to 1. So we can write the coordinates x4 as 2 into x2. x2 means 2 into -3 plus 1 into 1 upon 2 plus 1, and y4 is equal to 2 into 4 plus 1 into -2 upon 2 plus 1. So further x4 will be equal to 2 into -3 is -6 plus 1 upon 3, and y4 is equal to 8 minus 2/3. So x4 will be equal to minus 5/3 and y4 will be equal to 6/3, that is 2. So the coordinates will be minus 5/3 and 2. So we can say that the coordinates for P are minus 1/3, 0 and for Q are minus 5/3, 2. So this is how we can find the value of the coordinates of the points which are dividing the line in the ratio into 3 equal parts. That means these are the points of trisection. The coordinates for P we have found as minus 1/3 and coordinates for the point Q are minus 5/3, 2. So this is how we can use the formula to find the points of